Surprise! Today we honored our second quarter of 2009 Daisy Award winner, Lori Moss. An anesthesia nurse's father was the person that was the recipient of this care. This is something that we wanted to bring to IU Hospital, Methodist Hospital, and Riley Children's Hospital to recognize our nurses, because Clarian believes that whatever we can do to provide meaningful recognition to our nurses is important. They work very hard.
I was very pleased that he looked so good. So that was very nice. That was rewarding, just to see him look that healthy.
One of the biggest problems, I've had quite a few surgeries, and there's a lot of anxiety going into surgery, and being a veteran, it's, I think, harder to go back to surgery than it is initially, and they've always been very comforting.
It was my dad, Ken Olier, that Lori took excellent care of on June 12, 2009. It is nice to know that I had such a caring person taking care of my father. I think Lori is a perfect example of what the award stands for. I am so glad that she was the one to take care of my dad that day.
Lori had a very eventful afternoon and evening with Mr. Olier one day.
When Mr. Olier came in, he just was he just wasn't right. He just didn't look like a bad clinical picture, but did not look like I thought he should look.
And I said, "What's wrong?" And she said, "I just don't like his heart rate." There was no other indication, and his heart rate was 96 at that moment. She just has that seventh sense that a really good nurse has. And here he sits alive and well because Lori was really watching him.
I try to treat my patients how I would want my family to be treated. And I've had family in here. I've had family who's had surgery at this hospital. And I appreciate everyone's care that took care of my dad when he was in here. And I would want someone else to leave with that impression, that this is someplace I should bring my family member to.